Google just dropped VEO 3 and OpenAI has been making waves with Sora. Both claim to be the future of AI-generated video. But which one is actually better? In this quick breakdown, we'll compare the video quality, realism, flexibility, and real-world use cases. So let's go. What are they? First, what are they exactly? Google VEO 3 is an individual video generating module unveiled at Google I/O 2024. It uses text and image prompts to create Ultra HD cinematic style video with impressive camera motion and fine-grained scene control. OpenAI Sora, on the other hand, shocked everyone earlier in 2024 with its ability to generate minute-long photorealistic videos from simple text prompts. It focuses heavily on realism, physics, and continuity across scenes. Video quality and realism. When it comes to video quality, both are impressive, but slightly different in style. Sora produces videos that look like they were shot with a high-end camera, often indistinguishable from real footage. Its strength lies in physical accuracy, realistic shadows, reflections, and object interactions. VEO 3, however, leans into that cinematic movie trailer aesthetic. Google's model excels in smooth camera movements and creative transitions. It is like giving a Hollywood director an AI assistant. Control and customization. Now let's talk about control. VEO 3 gives creators more granular tools. You can guide camera angles, apply scene-by-scene changes, and even refine video with still images or sketches. It feels more like a pro editing suite. Sora, while simpler in interface, is more of a set it and go system. You give it a prompt and it surprises you with a complete video. That's great for speed, but it lacks the deep customization Google offers for now. Use cases and availability. As of now, Sora is still in limited preview, mainly for researchers and select creators. It is not yet available to the public. VEO 3, meanwhile, is being integrated into Google's Video VX tool and is slowly opening to select creators through waitlists. So if you are looking for accessibility today, neither is fully open. But Google may reach the public sooner via YouTube and workspace integrations. Verdict. So which one is better? If you want realism and natural physics, OpenAI Sora takes the lead. It's almost like watching real-life scenes unfold from just a sentence. But if you want artistic control, creative storytelling, and professional video aesthetics, Google VEO 3 might be your better pick. Honestly, they are built for different goals. Sora for raw realism, VEO 3 for cinematic creation. And that's all for today's video. Please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.